Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started using Google Translate. Let's jump in. So Google Translate comes completely free with your Google account. All you need to do is head over to translate.google.com and it'll take you to a screen like this. You can also access it in your App Center up here in the top right-hand corner, scrolling down, and you'll see Translate, and you can go to it that way. And I'll even put a link in the description, and you can just head right over there from there. And when you land on this website, it's really a pretty straightforward interface. So what you can do is you can type over here what you want to say, and then over on the other side, it will translate to whatever language you want. So you can see up here right now we're on English, so it's English to English. If we change this to Spanish, it will then translate it to Spanish. You can also go to Arabic. It'll change it to Arabic, or you can toggle down and find just about any language you could think of. So maybe we want to translate this to Korean, and it'll translate it to Korean. And you can also do it the other way around. You could type from Spanish to Korean, or you could go from any language to any language. There's about 100 languages that are included in this, and so it covers a wide spectrum of everything that you would need to translate. There's also the option, so this shows you what it is written out. You can also click on the listen button and it'll play back how to say this spoken.
안녕하세요. 오늘 잘 지내시나요?
Just like that. You can also do the English version.
Hello, how are you today?
And once you have the two versions selected, we'll just go back to Spanish here. Now you can just continue to type in there. Say, where's the bus station? You can see as I'm typing, it is already translating it over here. And again, you can just hit the listen button and it'll give you the translation. You can also copy that if you need to paste it into an email or a text or something like that. And you can share this link to somebody else if you're communicating with them that way. Now, something I want to mention too is if you're looking to get more out of your AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, we put together a free prompt pack. And we spent the last 3 years collecting our favorite prompts all in one place. And this includes over 30 tested prompts across research, strategy, copywriting, and even business. So you just have to copy the prompt, swap in your details, and paste it in. So to get this right now, all you have to do is click the link in the description. And the more you use this, it'll start to learn what your favorite translations are, and it'll automatically detect that as you come back into there. You can also upload documents. So rather than just typing out individual things, you can click on documents, upload an entire document to translate. You can also add images. If you have a picture that has some text and things that you want translated in there, you can add those as well. You can also just go to complete websites. So if you have a website that's in a language that you're not familiar with, you can add the website in there and have the whole website translated for you. And if this is something that you want to revisit, you can always save that so that you're saving it for later. And then you have your own phrase book over here, so there could be common phrases that you use on an ongoing basis. And with that, you're up and running using Google Translate, a very handy tool in this international world that we live in to be able to communicate with anybody, anywhere, anytime. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.